Welcome to JTech. Today we're going to be taking our kingpin inclination. We're going to be checking that, making sure that it's within spec, which is 2/1000ths of an inch to 20/1000ths of an inch if it's brand new. If it's used, we're going to be somewhere between 2/1000ths of an inch and 40/1000ths of an inch. So on the back side of our tire here, on our axle rail, or our axle mount, as you see, we have our dial indicator, which is this piece right here, and it's sitting right on top of my kingpin right here, and this is going to give me my inclination. And we're going to be taking our giant spoon here, this spoon, and we're just going to shimmy it right underneath the wheel just like that. And all I'm going to do is push down on it, and it's going to give me a reading on the dial indicator. This is normally a two-man job. So I would have someone stand on the inside of the wheel and they would tell me the measurement, or they would stand on the outside of the wheel and still tell me the measurement. All we're going to be doing is just pushing down on the tire like this, and it races it up. And this tells me what the reading on my dial indicator is. And I'm going to let it out, and you can see it drop back down. And I'm going to raise it back up again. Now, continuing with the process of leading up to finding out what this inspection is, we're actually going to have this truck brought up onto the lift. We're going to raise it up. We're going to put it to where our axle lift right here raises up on our axle and allows these front wheels to be completely free. As you see, I'm able to spin it. It's not making any contact with the ground whatsoever. And that's when you take your spoon and your dial indicator, you have it all set up, shove the spoon in, lift up on it, or push down on the spoon, and that will give you your indication on what degrees and 20s or thousandths of an inch on your kingpin. Now we're going to move into our lateral pushing plane. I'll head right back up with you guys there. Okay, so here we are on the other side. We're going to go ahead and get our lateral run out on our kingpin. In order to do that, we have our dial indicator on the bottom side of our kingpin with the measurement side outward. That way, if someone were to be on the inside here, they could tell me what the measurement is. All we're going to do is we're going to push on the top of the wheel and pull it back and forth just to see how much play is in it. So I'm going to go ahead and do that.
And get some light.
And you guys should be able to see that the dial indicator is jumping up as I push on the top of this wheel. Now we're going to go ahead and come to a side view. That way you're able to see how to actually do it from the outside. So I'm putting both hands on top of the tire, just pushing my weight into it. That's all you need to do in order to get your lateral run out. That's all you need to do to get your kingpin inclination. And with this one, I don't know what the measurement was, but with being a truck that's already been used as a training aid, it's probably been used. So we're going to go ahead and say that it's within the 2/1000ths of an inch to 40/1000ths of an inch. So we're going to go ahead and get this one to pass. My buddy Carlos, earlier, he was looking at it. He said that it was within spec. I'm going to take his word on it. I'm also going to have someone follow up behind him and make sure that they see that too. So I'm going to go ahead and have someone such as Joe come over, and he's going to read the dial indicator for me as I push on the wheel and give me a good spec read. That's all I'm going to say. So as you see, we're within the 2/1000ths of an inch, which means we're in spec, so this kingpin passes. Thank you for tuning in for a video at Jones Technical Institute with me as your host, Tyler Schmick. Catch you again.